Okay. Questions 37, 38. A botanist is cultivating a rare species of plant in a controlled environment and currently has 3,000 of these plants. The population of this species that the botanist expect to grow next year can be estimated from the number of plants this year and by the equation below. And the constant K in this formula is the number of plants the environment is able to support. According to the formula, what will be the number of plants 2 years from now if K equal to 4,000? So if we try to look at this formula here, the next year of the number of plant will be from this year plant plus 0.2 times of this year plant and parenthesis 1 minus and this year plant divided by K. So you can find the number of plant next year from using this year's plant. This year plant was 3,000. So I can find the next year plant will be 3,000 plus 0.2, 3,000, and then 1 minus 3,000 over K value as a 4,000. And you plug it into the formula, plug it into the calculator, which is 3,000 plus 0.2 times 3,000 will be 600 times by 1 minus 3/4. So plug it in times by 0.25. So it will be 3,150. And this is the number of plants for the next year. Now, they want to know the number of plants 2 years from now. This is only for the next year from this year. And then the next year after that will be, and 2 years after this year will be, you use a 3,150 as a this year's number of plant to find the next year, which is 2 years from 3,000 plant. 3,150 and then 1 minus 3,150 over 4,000. And I will just plug it in everything to the calculator. Then you will get 3,283.875. But they want round your answer to the nearest whole number, which will be 3,284. So this is going to be your solution. And then if I erase this one to solve #38, the botanist would like to increase the number of plants that the environment can support so that the population of a species will increase more rapidly. If the botanist's goal is that the number of plants will increase from 3,000 this year to 3,360 next year, how many plants must the modified environment support? So this year is a number of plants for this year, and then this 3,360 is the number of plants for next year. So you plug it in 3,360 for the number of plants next year equal to this year's 3,000 plus 0.2 times of 3,000. But you need to know 1 minus 3,000 over, you don't know what is a K value. That's what they want. Then first step, you subtract 3,000. Then you will get 360 equal to 0.2 times of 3,000 and then 1 minus 3,000 over K. 0.2 times 3,000 will be 600. So 360 equal to 600 and 1 minus 3,000 over K. And then this is multiplied together with a parenthesis. So you divide 600 on both. Then you will get 0.6 equal to 1 minus 3,000 over k. And then you subtract 1. So 0.6 minus 1 will give you negative 0.4 equal to negative 3,000 over k. Multiply by k on both. So negative 0.4 k equal to negative 3,000. And divide by negative 0.4. Then you will get the k value as 7,500. That's I do.